welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look using the Hipdot and Hello Kitty palette. So I'm going to start off with this color right here, and I'm going to apply this on my crease, just blending that upwards. And I'm actually using a big brush, so it's just going to help me apply the color faster and blend everything quicker. So I'm just taking my time, making sure that everything is really nice and blended. So that's what you want to do, make sure that everything is really nice and blended. And even if it's not, we're going to go back and blend it with another color anyways. Then I'm going to go with the shimmery shade, and I applied it right onto my lid. It is such a pretty shade. I had filmed this video a couple of weeks back, but I have been so busy that I totally forgot I had pre-recorded this video. So now I'm going to have it go up for you guys to watch it. So definitely subscribe, don't forget to comment and like this video. It helps my channel out a lot. Then I'm going with this goldish shadow, and I'm going to apply this right into my brow bone. I just really liked how it just transformed the makeup look once I applied that color. Then I'm going with this other color right here, and then I'm going to apply this right into the inner corner of my eyes just to give it a little bit of a pop. This is like a pink corally color, and it's so pretty. It just made the whole makeup look pop a lot. So then I'm going with the same shadow I used on the top. I'm going to be using at the bottom just to make the whole look pop. I really like these colors together. The whole makeup look was so pretty. My hair, everything, it just came out so good. Then I'm going back with this little yellowy shade that I use on my brow bone, and I'm going to apply it into the bottom inner corner just to give it a little bit more of a pop. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some eyeliner. I usually don't apply eyeliner, but I was like, you know what, this look needs eyeliner, so I went ahead and applied some, and it came out so pretty. I really love this look. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my bold makeup lashes. Don't forget to use PrettyGrace for some money off. I will post all the discounts down below. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.